Testing. 1, 2, 3. Testing. Yeah, let me know if it'll be up enough. I just want to check and see.
Audio okay so far?
Yeah, audio's good. Anyway, I don't see nobody in here yet, so it takes a little minute. I know it takes a minute, but I am just gonna go around the block. I don't wear these half shells much, so I forgot my goggles are right there. That went on just fast. I really want to have it vertical, you know. I think vertical would look nice, but GoPro will not let you use a vertical. It's probably something you can do to manipulate it, but I haven't found out. So for now we're doing this. Okay? Starting to cool off a little bit out here. I came out here without really a jacket, just a little vest and some pants. I'm wearing pants this time. You know what I mean, just something protective. This little back roads or whatever of the neighborhood. And I'm gonna check everything. This is where I usually do a check. Make sure, because I had to remount my mounts, retether, so I'm not gonna go far without checking my work, you know. The teacher has to come by and check my work, make sure I'm spelling stuff right, and don't get a bad grade. Yeah, it's all about not losing your GoPro, you know. So let's see. Is that an odd view? Oh shit. I hope we still got audio because I pulled the cord a little bit tight. See, that's the thing. Wearing a half shell, I have to have this cord kind of run down from this camera up into the old the horn blower. Yeah, I got tethers are good. The mount seems to be tight. That little twisty black knob that's on the clamp, that fell off, so it just got metal hanging out with the little square end. I had to use a vice grip to tighten this thing down, and it's hard to tell how tight it is, but it seems okay. Can you still hear me after I got off the bike? Yeah. Whew. I kind of got to get on weird too, because I don't have enough cord to move freely around. But if you're into it, whether you are or not, I guess that'll depend on whether you hang out. I'm just gonna putt around in the neighborhood. We'll see how. Yeah, I saw it looked a little choppy here. I keep forgetting to put my goggles on. I'm not used to half helmet stuff. Did you see? I suppose you got to see me look in the camera. I tried to, so you could see what I was wearing there up on my face there. Little bandana to hold the mic up to the corner of my mouth. Half shell and goggles. Yeah. Old matte gloves. A vest and bare arms. I'm bearing arms. Mythical Rider, how are you? I see I can glance down. I see the Frogzilla. Rob, how you doing, man? Chasing Ghost. Hello, hello, lovely people. Yeah? What do you think of that view? Is that kind of sucky? Hopefully I get out of my neighborhood a little bit. Reception will pick up a little better. There's pretty heavy trees back here, so I'm assuming that might make the signal struggle. Make a little noise real quick. Hey, hello, I'm here. Howdy. It's not super residential right here. We got the old Harris Teeter over there. That's the grocery store. I could run out to the beach quick. Oh, gonna miss the light. I like to make it sound like I'm going somewhere, not actually be going somewhere, you know. Well, you can only get in so much trouble. You get in trouble for exhibition driving. It's not like I'm doing burnouts. You're making some noise. Oh, that 750 Kawasaki short I did is like around 12,000 views. Got a bunch of, well, not a bunch, but you know, 20-30 subscribers from it. And found out it was a 72. My son-in-law was with me, and he actually talked to the guy, and I think I can get him on Facebook and get a hold of him. He supposedly has a whole garage full of bikes like that, and in mint condition, such as that one, which is kind of cool. So you see a groovy old motorcycle out on your venture sometimes, do a little walk around. If you can get the guy to ride it way like we did, which that one didn't even get as much hits. The walk around with added music, yeah, I mean, it's just kind of exciting. It's no big deal, just it's cool. Some numbers, fun to see. Connection better at the light. Thank you, Mythical Rider. Yeah, I'm a little bit more in the open right now, on an open bigger road. I was back in the neighborhood, and it's kind of wooded, you know. It's just a lot of, well, hopefully this area will be a little better. Probably be damn near dark by the time I get home. I mean, it'll take me about another, I don't know, 5 minutes, 10 minutes to get there. It's only about 5, 6, 7, 8 miles away. About 8 miles, I would say. I hope you can still hear me. See, I'm doing about 40 miles an hour. And trying to keep a conversation go, so you can give me a little feedback on just how awesome it sounds. I hope it does. Hope the audio is good. It has been in the past, but that's a beautiful night. That's probably 70-ish out, maybe. I can get away with some short sleeves anyway. I wouldn't want to go for an hour like this. Well, take my eyes off the rear view mirror, you get a tailgater real quick. I don't know what it is about that. Gave him the brake check. Just a little flash, you know, a little flash. I don't think I'm even going to go all the way to the beach. I can't even take the GoPro off and go show you around. Usually I like to do these things with the phone because you can do it vertical as well, and it's kind of mobile. I do a U-turn, head back to the house. Yeah, you know, that always feels kind of good. Huh? I know, it's blasted my ears. I put earplugs in though, like a sissy. Yeah, I don't listen to the ego much no more. Not too much. Except for back there. Revving the hell out of it. That was ego. But the old hearing and the protection. I've done a lot of damage in the past because I never wore hearing, you know, ear protection. This thing's got no baffles, and so I'm always going, huh? What'd you say? Oh, people get tired of that. Oh man, these goggles fog up. Non-fogging eye protection would be awesome. I know it sucks. I can't really on the when it's on my helmet either. Look down and see you and wave, or you know, whatever the hell. It's just weird not. I wave at you there. I waved. I bent over and waved a little bit. It's not like live streaming at home and doing the coffee show. Alright, come on. Enough red light. There we go. Like I can see about 50% visibility right now. I have to pull my goggles away from my face. There, let some air get in. Now I can see again. Only 35 down here. Do a little axle rose there, swaying. Oh, do the axle sway. Whew. When you're hooping and hollering, you're having a good time, like Retired Rider today. I don't know if you saw his live, but I did, and he's having a good time out on his new machine, making noise, having a good time. It's good to see him out enjoying his second motorcycle and just letting go. Just about dark, just about sunset. Like when I do night rides, I set the GoPro ISO at about 800. Any more than that, it makes your visuals real grainy. Brown Chicken, how you doing? Mother Firefly, howdy. Who else? Yeah. Cool, cool, cool. A couple of people came by. I was just kind of reminded, like, dang, it might be the time T-Bone, is this Monday? Yeah. Did his premiere. I feel like a bad boy right now. But I got inspired to do what I got inspired to do, and washing the bike. And I thought, well, let's revamp these GoPro mounts a little bit and see what we come up with. Anytime you change stuff, you create new problems for yourself sometimes. But if you do it often enough, maybe you get a little better at it. So that's my theory. Sticking to it. Yeah, it didn't take long to get dark. So yeah, what is Firefly? I've seen a few of your shorts. I'm getting notified of the musical shorts coming out. That's cool. Nice you whipping up that content. And nice to see a few that aren't AI as well. Just you out in the nature, out saying hello, or walking around somewhere. I don't know, I think like the other day I really wanted to get that the Surrey when I was at the ferry, and we all took the ferry to cross the James River. That's a beautiful boat. It's pretty big, and wanted to tell you a little bit about it. And yeah, my audio wasn't hooked up. It was hooked up to my helmet, but I wasn't wearing my helmet running around. I thought I was talking to the old GoPro. The old iPhone. Nope. Alright, let's try this right out here. I go in the garage, I might compromise connection. There we are. Okay, short leash. I gotta get off the bike kind of weird so I don't yank the microphone cord. And I got it in my... Sorry if that's heavy breathing. Ain't much I can do. Good Lord. I got so many things on my keychain here. Not like keys, rubber bands. But yeah. Peace. Howdy. And this is what all I did. I put a little lapel right up there, and went down the road, gave it hell. Gave it hell. Can't hear myself talk. There we go. I get the squishies out of there. So clean the corn out of your ears, Dean. Maybe you can hear something. Huh? Getting my phone down so I can see ya. What you saying? I know it's something important. I don't want to miss it. Let's see. Oh. Legendary Princess, good to see you. You have an amazing night too. He never stays too long, but at least come by and say howdy. Yeah, there you go. Dave was here. Which Dave? Our Aussie Dave? Yeah, Derek. Derek. Oh, connection is lost.